So you want to print a WhatsApp chat, the actual conversation, on paper. If you've tried, you already know the phone's own print option falls apart fast. Here's how to print the whole thing properly. Here's why it goes wrong. Screenshotting means dozens of images, cut off mid-message, in the wrong order. And your phone's print to PDF on a long chat? It chokes after about 40 messages, drops the media, and breaks lines across pages. What you want is one clean document, every message, every timestamp, every name, laid out for a printer. Start in WhatsApp itself. Open the chat you want to print. On iPhone, tap the contact or group name at the top, then scroll down to export chat. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right, choose More, then export chat. When it asks, pick Include Media if you want the photos in your printout, or Without Media for text only. WhatsApp hands you a zip file. Save it. Now on your computer, open chattopdf.app. Click Upload your chat, and drop that zip straight in. It reads the whole export and rebuilds the conversation as it actually looked. You'll see a live preview before you pay anything. Pick the layout you like. It's a one-time payment for that chat. No subscription, no account to make. And this is what comes out. A continuous, paginated PDF, proper page breaks, nothing cut off, photos in place, every timestamp and sender name intact. Open it, hit print, and you get a clean paper copy of the entire conversation, not a stack of screenshots. On privacy, your file sits on the server for 7 days, then deletes itself automatically. Nobody reads it, it isn't sold, and it isn't used to train anything. And that's how you print a WhatsApp chat the right way. The link's in the description. Use code VOICE25 for 25% off any layout.